HCTI stock analysis and HCTI stock prediction. What I'll be doing in this brief and short 1-minute video is showing you my exact play. Healthcare triangle to now already 2-cent level. This is crazy because I'm still waiting for a shift so I can then take it even further up. I do genuinely believe there's still hope here, but instead of just assuming, I'll show you what I'm doing. Having done well over 43,000 videos over 5 years, I'm the only guy in the space that's documented them all and actually showed you what's working and what's not, because I've literally been doing it in front of everyone's eyes. HCTI especially, I know I saw this pump and I was like, I'm open-minded for a second run so I can juice this thing up, you know, and make money. But unless I see that shift, you know, unless I see this sort of thing happening, there's just no way I'm looking to buy. Straight up. So with HCTI, I also have receipts in the Discord here for the results. So there's like really no lack of coverage on HCTI, especially here. If you want my exact play and all that good jazz, just click the first link in the description. 1,200 people have already gotten enrolled, absolutely risk-free.